Yes. We're not going to fish today. So we're going to ital and we're help out. Huh?
How much is this food?
We're not selling. So if you want food, you can get food with it. So don't worry.
I will definitely be the one to taste and let the people know how it is.
Alright. So
We'll be up there.
Up there, don't go too far, you know. Come here, come. So, of course. Check out Keen Life in Jamaica as well.
I will.
Yeah, and YouTube. So what's your name?
Leonie.
Leonie.
Shailene.
Shani. Our next one, Ghana Ed.
Ole.
Ale. Alright, so I will be here. Alright? Alright. Alright, tell me what it tastes. Them said the pot smelling good.
Oh, Genius, why you not easy, man? You already forgot about the water, Genius. Yeah. So I see where you. What there? What there? You alone? What there?
Over there, the go and fish. For food,
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop the gun, lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day
Well. Blessed love, guys, blessed love. So we're here today, and we're here at Garden Town, you know, we're on Garden Town Road, you know, our first river that we went to, you know, the first one that where the river came down. So that's where we're here today, you know, because, you know, we have Grove, and, you know, Burglar, the man that responds for the founder of it, you know, and say, he's doing some work today. We might try build up the pool, you know, with the sands in the bag, you know. So we're here, so we're gonna give him a strength, you know. So that's how we came here today, to give him a helping hand to make some bags. As we see him start to make them already, you know. So that's what we're here today, to help him out, give him a helping hand, you know, making the bags, you know. So yeah man, so we're here to give him a strength to the help him out, you know. So while we're here, we're just gonna, you know, cook some food while we're here, same time, you know. The sun is really out today, sunny day. Yeah man, so it's a sunny day today. We're just gonna hold a vibe, you know, we're gonna hold a vibe and give him a strength, you know, because you know it goes already. And him say we can use him river whenever we feel like, you know, using kitchen, use whatever, you know, so I feel like giving back a strength by helping him, you know, setting up the bags then. Oh go on. Yeah, so by helping him setting up the bags then. We come to give us strength today, you know. Yeah man, so it's very lovely today, sunny, nice. So what his aim is to do is gonna set up the bags them, you know, to have back a pool, you know, because you can see the river is running clear and nice, very beautiful. It's very pretty today. So I'm already start from morning, so we're just reaching here. Burglar. Probably think so when I come though. Yeah man, cool man. So you start built up already? So guys, so this is the plan. Oh, you put a step right here to step down? Okay. So guys, so this is the plan, as you see. So you want more bags than this? Is enough bags to bring it up? Enough bag? Okay. Alright then, so. Two like it, alright then. Yeah. Eh? Yeah. And the water rise though? Yeah. So a nice pool, yeah, so you know? Come in burglar, we'll show them where I go on. Yes guys, so as you can see, we have burglar here, the founder of this River Grove. So as was explained to them, so we have to come back and give us strength, you know, because they give us the privilege. You can say, come on, all our vibes, you know, you never say anything about no money, you say place there when you can cook, you know, and we appreciate that. So we're just giving back our intake as well, too, you know. Bring some man come help you out, back up the wall here, so. So right here, you know, you're going to turn it back in our pool. Yeah. Okay. Exactly this. So you say you want the water to run off some of the sand first.
Yeah, so my son's going to run out,
So it have a look, so it have the depth when you put up the bags them. Exactly that. And the water clear. Long time not the rain not going up here though.
Rain falling, but
not as much. Not as much. Water clear and nice, man. Crystal. Yeah, because we'll cook out some food as well, you know, while we're there, I go and put in some work, you know. Some food. Yeah, we bring one extension. We can plug it in right there so if we use the blender. Nice work in the water, you know. You ever work in water before, Jackson? You never work in water yet. That's supposed to be one of the best work ever. When the athletes lying on the water. That one here.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yes.
That's what I'm talking about. Eh? Yes, that's what I'm talking about.
That's
you can't come down there and go like one time. When I come in and look at the water, look at the ticket, you see what I go down.
Yeah.
Like kind of bad go down.
Yes. Right. And that pool easy because why it's in the water.
Yeah.
Very easy. This is what we do, man. Teamwork make the dream work, you know. But if like you start a long time still burglar, the amount of bags them we bag up already. Oh, yeah. Oh, son of gone. Come here.
Come here. You're a joking thing, do you know, sir? No joking thing.
That's it. One hand. The way I'm strong.
Okay, I'll stand up. I want to rent
Techniques.
Yeah, techniques. I don't like that thing. Eh?
So I cut the sand same here.
Yeah.
Oh. Techniques. Good to this man.
Good.
Yeah, man.
So I'll go for the
Because we are true, we use the water, it's easier.
Yeah.
While they're doing jacks, they can lie on the water and say, hold on, the water break.
Water.
It's around there going nice. You're one of them? Alright, I'm still get one of them. Hold on. Nice. Yeah? A spin around. See there? Like a pool. Supposed to have one. Yeah. Easy does it, Jackson. Very easy. You know what? I'm gonna change off as well, you know, and get myself well organized and well prepared. Cause the Jackson change already, you know. I know I'm not change. Jackson said he ain't waiting.
Yeah, you know, waiting, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Jackson said he ain't waiting. Yes.
I'm waiting.
Yes. God.
Yes.
Lord God.
Oh, yeah.
He ain't waiting. Put it down up there, so. Eh? Yeah. Them down there show the water. You not show water? Uh-oh. Yeah. Right, use the blender, you know.
Yeah, it's the blender?
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, you want to bust drink one?
No, we're not drinking it. Let's use it in the thing there.
Okay.
Now, coconut water, we'll use it.
No problem.
Alright, so we'll get ready. So we have stove up here already. We're going to bring it in the stove. So we have a station. You know, so today, guys, we're at Grove. We're not at Miami River. Today, we're at where it all begins. This is where it started from. No? I'll put it out, look at it. No, man, yes, sir. Let's just turn it. You sell boom? Alright, give two boom and a thing. Where extension? See it, let's see. Okay. I want to alone can bring that. It's easy. Alright, work smart. It works smart. Yes. Work smart. Ooh. So we have some pumpkin. So guys, we're gonna cut up some pumpkin. We're gonna do some pumpkin dumpling. You know, because the last time we come here was pumpkin dumpling. So more pumpkin dumpling again. Today. guys, look how pretty the water is. Look at this. Pretty. Look how pretty the water is today, boy. Well pretty. The water cute. 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 I'm saying the water cute, it's not pretty, cute. I say the water is very cute. Crystal clear. Yeah. Ula. Crystal clear. Not ready. So the man said, I step this in my build up. Walk up the step. Up the step. So we have boom here, I pick up the coconut. Get the coconut prep and ready. Run here, sir? Right here, sir? Them big? Right, so this part, the inner the ear. The inner the ear. That's who I got. The man really catch you with him hand for true. Oh, the Jenga.
Tell him say, watch him. He's great.
Wow. Yeah.
How you see him? You don't hear so? We use the hand to catch them. No net.
No net needed.
Oh, one more then? I say you feel for them? Eh? So you know, look.
You want to see more?
Yeah. Alright. And say we want some more. Oh,
Get to it.
get to it.
See now.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, let the man get away.
I might at the job.
Not gonna wear them now, the wear there.
I'm over them. Man, we got him on a while ago.
I saw him, see him there.
You see him?
Go on the side, there going on.
Him can't get there.
Him can't get away?
Go on the side, that's look on the side, that's
You see him? Oh, him see him. Watch out, the man catch him back.
No man.
So how you see him? How we can't see him? So how you...
Peace to the brother.
Eh? Hold it. Yo, the man catch it, man say can't get away. Yo, the man skill. Go, you see him? Yeah, the man's skill. I'm go watch him. The man say he can't get away. And the man real, yo, I could see him a while ago, you know.
And you see him.
And him see him. Him skill, man. He catch a Jenga. Yeah, the man skill, me I tell you. Him. I say him catch him, you know. Man, gone in nest. Shit. That's another one.
One herb.
Eh?
One herb.
2.
One.
1.
Got it. Roll it.
Yeah, the man catch the next one here. Another one. This guy is talented, man. Guys, look at that. The man catch 2. He's not even looking. Eh? Yeah. But we're not gonna eat that one today. No, I let him go back. No? I eat them? Can I eat them? Yes, if you eat them. I told the man catch now, boom, look. Hold him good enough.
Hold him good.
No, not you me attack, him. No, but no. Janga. Shrimp, I like yes, and I say you roast them and eat them straight away, man.
You know the one that with the big crab?
Yeah.
You catch them enough?
You catch them enough?
And they are about 5 of them.
Yeah.
I like it.
Big one them? Them a bite you.
One of them they take off from
Them take it off? Yeah.
and that's
Oh, you hear that? The man said one of them take off him 2 finger them and doctor stitch it back on. Let me see them which finger, let me see them. Let me see it. Which one them take it off from?
don't have to
The 2 of them come off. Oh, so it can't straighten.
No. I like that to sit down here.
Oh. You're brave, man. You're still doing it same way. Brave.
But when you want the neck, you want the goal of them.
Yeah.
Set me.
The goal of them, which one is that?
One of them with the big crab, big stuff.
Yeah.
Black all yak or so.
Yeah.
And act like small cookie dog.
Yeah.
When you want them, just check me.
Check you. Right now, guys, the risk where this guy has to take to catch these. So the man said the big one them take off 2 fingers, the doctor have to stitch it back. Imagine that, and then still do it same way. No, use no net, just using bare hands, no net, nothing. You have to give these guys their props, boy. Are you finding any more? Can't find no more.
Yeah, come, 2 come back. Now go down the river.
Go look.
Yes, come down.
He says going down the river. Why? Talent, boy, talent. Boom, the man said 2 of them, they take off his finger, in 2 finger them, you know. Yeah. The burglar. The man said, 2 of them finger them come off already, you know. See him jangle them 2 heat off him finger them, you know. I stitch back, you know. Still I do it same way. Actually, the man catch one more down there, so. Boom, boom have him there. And the man, can you see him next, him two finger them can't straighten, you know. Yeah. So them stitch it back down, you know it. Yeah. You have to get out them props. Hey. Why boom? See the two Jenga. Burglar up here in ban. Oh, that's why, man. So the man used to him have the eyes for water. You know, like you watch a movie name, what we call Aquaman. I want to ban the water. Yeah, man say see me. Alright then, so blending time. So guys, here boom, cut up the coconuts. Right, so I gotta do some blending, you know. Here we go. So. Yeah, man.
That's why I say Facebook for me that
Yeah.
You see me I say?
Cool now.
One time say me fall from, you know?
Yeah. See, man, we got them side. We got them side to go do work as well.
Yeah, man.
Charity work everywhere. Yeah, man, the pool are come on, you know? Eh? Paint. Eh? Or somebody up there. Somebody up here.
Who that?
So Jackson.
Come here now. Come here now. Yeah, I'm not here working.
You say you want some Jamaica color paint? Alright then, so. You make a link for you, man. There's a black, green and gold. And Jamaica color paint. Can you paint? I know so you got paint with it. Come up on the road, come right down. So here is helping out, so we have some strength there from some rugby players. Jackson over there in the river, a greater. Jackson. Remember the cabbage at the next side.
Next side, no? Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
You know? Yeah, every time, no?
Jack's not going to shred there, so, you know?
Yeah.
So we're doing some cabbage and pumpkin with some okra, with some pumpkin dumpling in some coconut milk. So that's what we're doing today. Steaming healthy. Today's the healthy way. You know, so we have the cabbage, we have the pumpkin, and we have the okra. You know, with some pumpkin dumpling, you know, in the coconut milk. You know. Yeah, man. So Jack today are sitting by the river. I'll be right thing.
Yeah.
Every time. Yeah. So over here, Burglar getting some strength from the Jamaican rugby players.
You understand?
I understand.
Current, you know?
So real Hercules strength.
Be ready again now.
So we're getting the real Jamaican Hercules strength. And we have the only living hero over there. He's the hero, you know.
Yeah.
You will see the little boy wash when at the gully. But it went viral.
Yeah.
Him that.
Yeah.
Yeah. See it there. So we have two rugby players to play for Jamaica, right? You play for Jamaica as well, right? And you as well.
Yes.
So which club you play for otherwise?
Mona Titans and Bulls.
Mona Titan and Bull.
Yeah.
You as well too?
Same team.
Yes.
So I live on the retirement part, you know, you understand?
Eh.
You have to put up a boat certain way, you understand?
I take him take me to
I
retirement.
look so young.
I take him
I
take
look
me-
so young.
I take him take me to retirement. Can retire early.
Eh. Not retire too early, man.
Oh, we have to left the way for younger
Yeah,
youth
the younger
to
youth
come,
them to come up and, you know what I mean? and
Okay.
educate them, which is actually player coach as well. You know what I mean?
Okay, I can see.
Yeah.
So the age group we play right now up there, young,
18, 19, 20.
but not for big.
No, no bigger than that, bigger than that.
Yeah.
Hard.
So they say now,
Like a lion.
that's true.
Yeah.
But we can go up against some big
Yeah,
giant.
man, big man. We have some friends, man, more 6 foot, more 7 foot.
Yeah.
Up, tall,
Big.
see them, nothing. You know, you have to have a heart, man.
Yeah,
As long as
that's-
you have the heart,
Can do it.
yeah. You have some big man have the heart, you know.
True.
Yeah, so you have to have the heart.
Yeah.
That's a nice sport.
Yes.
Calm your nerves. If you're ignorant, everybody can't tell you. If it's an ignorant person coming to rugby,
Yeah.
calm.
It calm you down.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Them say rugby is a sport played by hooligans.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what they say as well
Yeah,
too.
yeah.
In England, the
Yeah,
same
yeah,
thing.
Alright, yeah.
And it calm you down. So it's a good therapy.
It's a gentleman sport played by hooligans.
Yes. It's a good therapy then.
Yeah, man, it's a good. I tell you, anybody.
So if anyone watching and you're suffering from anger management, go play some rugby.
Yeah, man, no
Right?
joke.
Go play some rugby.
Yeah,
And
man,
I'm saying
no
it
joke.
will help.
Yeah, help you.
You know, help you a lot.
A lot.
If you're suffering from anger management, go play some rugby.
See, a lot of people help a lot of people. A lot of ignorant people come
Yeah.
change them whole type of life, whole type of aspect of life and calm them
Calm them
cool.
down.
You understand me? Yeah, man.
That's it,
No
yeah.
joke.
Yeah, man. I respect for the strength we're not giving as
Yeah,
well
man,
to
no,
today,
yeah,
you know.
man. Always.
Cause you know that's what compare as well to give him some strength.
Yeah, man.
And realize it was the two Hercules rolling, and we're like, alright then. Job easy, you know. But all you say, are you training for today this?
Yeah, at
Piece of it.
The first session. Have 2 more sessions.
2 more sessions.
Yeah.
Yeah, so why man, them things take a lot of hard work. So the whole heap of anger way in here, come take it out from the training bag. Here, jeez! I'm swimming at the pool over there.
Good job, buddy. Yeah, properly.
One go. Alright. Yeah. And the best job this, you know. I work in a water and I swim same time. Yeah. When they get hot, it does cool down.
Dado, what you doing? What you doing, Lord?
I told him much right oh like
Yeah, make it lean coach.
oh.
That's all over.
So up here now. The fire ready, boom. How we looking? Alright, so fire is ready. I want you don't want you put on now. Alright, so we put on the coconut and we have some pumpkin so we're gonna use in the flour. Right? So this way is on the flour, so a pumpkin dumpling.
Yeah.
You know. Pumpkin dumpling today, guys. We cook them with the coconut milk right here. Very nice. It's rich, you know. Rich. This one not poor. This one is rich up here at Grove at the river. No. I thought we go steam the cabbage.
Coconut milk a story, yeah. Go up on the pot.
So it look rich.
Pumpkin dumpling, so it's rich. Yeah. On the river, I eat to go out with some veggie.
So I use some flour.
So you have to slide it. Go on for the riverside and go and kick back. Cut up a weight name for the cook. Yeah. Yeah, I go and live some life on the river here, you know? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. 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 Cry. All mother tell them daughter, say, "True, shall wash man, shall come the other time, you know?"
Yes, sir. I don't know how come.
I don't want to come experience it too, like how we are experience. Yeah.
Yes, I know be a giant activist.
Alright.
Be a giant activist.
Then I want to go way up in the hills, you know, I always say, people from down our yard, they say.
Alright.
Yeah.
So you can take Jamaica small. But in town, believe you, but you got the yard.
Long time from down our yard.
Alright,
So you see, I know we are alone, I come up, I come live like.
yeah.
Yeah.
I feel God, believe what you say about that.
What? Them type of life you have to free up your mind, you know? Yeah, natural. You see it? Nature. You see it? River water come down. You see me there? Yeah, look, you see? Yeah. See there? Yeah. Just put on the coconut patty enough to make the work. What kind of dumpling I make? Pumpkin dumpling. Coconut water. Coconut milk. Coconut milk. I cook it down. Yeah. And some steamed veg. with the all the extended family with the car.
Yeah.
Tell you,
Yeah.
all the extended family, you know more than I love you.
Yeah.
See what they see John.
That's it. Rain a come down. A Juku Joe. Sun out a rain a drip.
Yeah. We're not LOVE, look. That's about
Yeah.
in barn love. Sharing and caring and take care of.
Yeah.
That's what beauty is all about. Yeah. Some people come live there but sit back in there. You see that you can have far. You see nothing on the breaking. That's the far right.
Yeah. In nature. Yeah.
Do shit. No, make the workman slow down, you know. So it's not a rugby man. Some dumpling up there eat. That me I realize. Pumpkin dumpling them are the oats dumpling, you see me? Yes, Eddie. It's a fuel up.
See that?
Eat the feet first. See them plate look yellow. Yeah. You know what that? Deer pumpkin in it.
Pumpkin dumpling. My name is Kino.
Hi, Kina.
Welcome to Kino Life in Jamaica.
Oh,
You know, so now cooking. This is coconut milk, well seasoned down.
nice.
You know, with pumpkin dumpling. You know, with steam. Oh, you know, we have steamed veg. You know, with okra and peel thing. Yes, we're not going to fish today. We say we're going to ital and we're help out. Huh? We're not selling. So if you want food, you can get food with it. So don't
I
worry.
will definitely be the one to taste and let the people know how it is.
Alright. So we
We'll be up there.
up there, don't go too far, you know. Come here, come. So, of course. Check out Kino Life in Jamaica as well.
I will.
Yeah, and
I'll
YouTube.
put my life down.
So what's your name?
Leonie.
Leonie,
Shailene.
Shailene, Shani. Our next one Ghana Ed.
Oli.
Ale. Alright, so I will be here. Alright? Alright. Alright, tell me what it tastes. Them said the pot smelling good. So the coconut milk, alright, so guys, so it's here now. Wagwan. So guys, so here we can go put in the dumpling them now. And thing. You know, so we have the color, we have the veg them cut up and ready now. You know, we have the veg cut up and ready. You know, so you know where the thing goes already. Hello, hello, hello. Well, when it tastes, me I feel like that's what name it name, but when it tastes, it's like Yeah, this is the part. All right.
See it, see? Yeah, pots there. Yeah. Dumpling them a go eat.
Yes, yeah. I feel meal them quick and fast.
Can I grave like it one go down, you know?
I'm after the fire kick.
Like Van Damme. Check up there, more for drink, you know.
3, yes guys, so as you can see, the pot is looking very beautiful. You know. So we got the pumpkin, so this is why the flower looks so.
Looks so yellow. The pumpkin night make it look so yellow. Eat the taste of the mice.
Right, but now like the man them move quick. Good thing we get some Hercules strength. Get the Hercules strength, you know?
Yeah.
Rugby players. Jamaica them play for?
Most come to regular come down and start come train.
Oh.
Regular come and start come train.
Hey! I have to make you happy. So that's not work, make you happy. Yeah, but come on. I will deal with the one here.
Great era.
England.
Alright, babe. Pool right there, so yeah, you can swim in and fix up the river. See it? Yeah, enough people there. All bored.
Alright, guys, see, pumpkin dumpling in coconut milk. You know, they're going to simmer down. You know the thing goes already. They're going to simmer down. You know, over here, we have the vegetable steam. See it there? Ice green and gold, Rasta Jackson would I say. Ice green and gold. Steaming right down. Right down.
Finishing touch target, yeah?
Improvise.
Yeah, man.
They say, butter. Is it there?
Custard right now.
Oh, they said now it's ready. A pool now. Wow.
You don't know the ladies them at 10.
Hey.
Just in time.
Yes, in time, I take you
Ready.
Where one swim go?
I'm a YouTuber. Check out Kino Life in Jamaica. KINO Life in Jamaica. Oh. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Alright. Where you want it?
Yes, I eat that. Hercules. Yeah, the man dead in the show era.
Shall I tell them about something? Ready?
Yeah. Oh. Cheers. There's a steam, butter steam, and the food ready.
Yeah. Yeah, pot of steam now and food ready, everything and dumpling and food now.
Everything is ready.
Yeah. What? Gino say you go on, man. You're alone for a bag out of water, man. Yeah, easy, Genius, man. Oh, Genius, why you not easy, man? You're alone for a bag out of water, Genius. Yeah. So I see where you. What there? What there? You're alone. What there?
Over the side, the go and fish. For boots, you know.
Yeah.
So I'm for leave that one. Now come. Where you want her? Running back?
You see same thing running back, they were dead at rugby. American.
Where you want her? Running back, standing back.
I tell you that NFL you want a winger?
Want a winger? Oh, Mr. Sae.
I say I'm going to dribble the ball.
Dribble the ball. To the boss here. I'll dribble the ball.
You want to say about dribble the ball, Fred? Fred! Team get the fire when him kill one.
Can't do it!
I say they move slow when you see every youth. Oi!
Yeah. Said you era.
The hero.
I want one more forward side in the era. Take out two more forward side the side way. Yeah, I'll take two more forward side. Yeah, so alright. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, we'll go take two forward side. Yeah, two other forward side.
Yeah. See training starting now.
Yeah? So may I show you, that's what I'm talking about. Huh? That's it. See it?
Put it on the shoulder now.
No, I don't want to help, I'm just saying it. Hey, I'm not easy.
That don't look good.
That don't look good.
I want that loan. Rugby I play.
A rugby I play, a living rugby I play between us. What there?
I want that loan, man.
I want that. Hey, what do you want this, huh? No, man, that's normal. It's normal, then, man. No, man, it's normal, man.
Alright.
No, man, it's normal, then, man. It's normal. You're alone, huh? But you're normal, man. You're only for you want to help. You know, that's what I'm talking about. Because I see the wood dumpling the way I eat and then carrot dumpling and banana dumpling there.
This
is what I'm talking about.
One more time with the young guy. Go. Training couple time and stop.
We do team.
How we do? I don't remember. But I'm friend with the fella and go training. And then couple time, you know. Simple thing, man. We grow rough, you know. Grow rough, man. So, man, little man. A simple thing, that man. We grow rough, man. Rough, man. I try to start grow up in there, you know, so we grow rough. Well rough. So right now, I'm going to look for my pot.
Yeah, tear off your nose.
To tear off your nose? Alright. Here the pot here, the pumpkin dumpling.
Whoa.
Pumpkin dumpling.
You teach boy about that one though?
Oh, well, him see it. Him not eat yet. Too much dumpling on. Get it to the custard and everything. Jackson, what dumpling on?
Jackson, how much dumpling? Yeah. You know what's up? Three.
Four me I go. That's how we feel like a photograph. Rasta.
The next one seems vibes it man, cause the first one, the auntie, yeah, she vibes it, she nice. You know, say, oh, we stay with woman already, you know, say we are gonna just connect. No, excuse me. my cup there, man. Yeah, man, good man. You put it down. Put it there right there, sir. Next to the dumpling. Not under there. So we have to get the right balance. Yeah, man, fair. Alright.
Yeah, that's the one.
And plate just thin. Gosh.
Skill. Jackson?
Rastafari, give thanks and praise all the time. You know, that's a dream team.
Oh, that is it.
One love. All, so, you know, Hero.
Yeah.
Hero. Look at it good, huh? You know what cook this?
Oh.
Coconut what?
Oh.
Coconut what?
Milk.
We don't know what I'm talking about. We say what cook it, huh? You know, yeah, laugh off of me. No, we don't laugh.
Yeah, man, it good, man.
Right after.
Talent, you know? Young talent.
Hercules. Yo, Hercules.
No, yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yo, Hercules.
Oh, no.
No one saw them, yeah? Get fire. I saw them at Hercules, man. I saw Hercules.
I told them on the car, but now I want to see what they do. I found the man come in and leave and he's saying,
Dumpling, man.
What? He said the dumpling.
man.
But. And steam veg. Yeah, no, veg.
Veg, Rasta. Ital.
Yeah.
See there?
So this make us see the fish them more bigger. Eh? Have one plate? Okay. Alright. I'm traveling with them on a plate. Here, what do you want there?
Alright.
Yeah, here is a tree. You want? Boom. Boom, so 4. Burglar. Burglar out of the field.
See the guys, so you know the thing go.
Oh, listen one sec. It's like a pumpkin dumpling or boil on a pork and milk. Hey, you want the one plate with two of them?
No.
Oh, so 2 different then.
Yeah, one place for me and you.
Alright. Dumpling that's full for belly.
So fast.
Easter.
Oh.
And then kill me and have it on video. You say my deck time, whatever me I eat.
Oh, they can
have it on
see.
video.
No, I have to video.
Alright, so guys, so if you know she not gonna die.
So you said it's what again? Pumpkin
Dumpling. Mhm.
coconut sauce,
Yeah.
coconut milk,
Yeah.
and then this is the steamed
veg. So she gonna give us her honest opinion on the dumpling. First time trying it?
First time trying it.
Hey, it's the first favorite thing, right? Okay.
Dumpling is well seasoned.
Hey.
Not tough.
Not tough. Proper review I'm getting, you
Really,
know.
the dough was neat, very tight.
Yeah.
Good.
Good.
Take one more bite.
Aye. Yeah, so I'm getting a proper review, you know. So you know while I'm getting a proper review, you know what time it is. Come on, Ish.
Vegetable now.
Mm-hmm.
Two bags of the rest come over, man.
Okay, a little spices in there.
You don't like spice?
Not necessarily.
Oh.
But it's okay, spicy taste, that's fine.
Yeah. Hey.
It's not salty.
Not salty, no.
But I'm tasting the season,
The spice.
the time is good.
Mm-hmm.
I like the look of taste of pepper. It's good.
Hey.
With the combination between this, which is not salty, and this is okay, you're good.
Good. So it's the right blend.
Yeah, well, you don't want to be as salty, but yes.
Yeah.
You could.
Of course. So,
I
hey.
didn't say that.
So I'll become cooking for you when you're ready. Just let me know. I'll come do the cooking.
It's like a meal to try.
So like a meal to try, right?
I've never really dumpling.
And a dumpling.
It's my first dumpling in years.
New Year's? Wow. So why not cooking?
Special dumpling.
I don't really eat dumpling like that.
Oh, you're a rice person.
Not rice either, that's food.
That's food.
Irish potato and them things.
Okay.
Try to avoid rice. When I eat out, I'm having rice.
Yeah. That's good though. At least you try to eat healthy. You know. But that's why we always try to put something in it, you know?
Right. This is
Tita.
look at I
Hold on.
Starfish in the mixer so.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna eat starfish.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why. That's why it's
For those at
missing.
home, they can do that.
Yeah, for who's at home and they can try the saltfish. Hey, the pool really are full up, you know. Look at that. Wow. The pool is there now. Yeah, that. Sure, tell us I'm strong. Me, I have to call the strong man, you know.
Tired, man.
Tired.
Yeah, man.
Which part you want to put your shoulder?
Yeah, for my shoulder.
Go. Yeah, man. See there, it's short already, you know. The one with the 2 dumplings. Yeah, no, ladies don't eat enough dumplings. I eat, man, because it was the last one I got there.
So, what do you have planned anyway? For your evening, what do you have planned?
Yes, boom. That is it.
The water will come back. I don't get food on the way up and I know. Then I'm going to want more than this, I don't know.
So how far drink this? Boom, man, let's go for that boom. So the pool is complete. The pool is complete. I say, you know, that was it for today. That was it for today with the food and with the helping out with the bags. So
watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.